CrazyLive 即将重磅推出亚洲2大活动。3月7日，李先生将亲临澳门美高梅，为终身会员带来精彩讲座。CrazyLive is preparing 2 major events in Asia. An exclusive lifetime member event will be held at the MGM Macau, where Mr. Lee will deliver a private lecture.
CrazyLive is preparing 2 major events in Asia. On March 7, an exclusive lifetime member event will be held at the MGM Macau.
This marks a significant step in our offline engagement strategy. Each participating lifetime member will receive
Special event gift package. This marks a significant step in CrazyLive's offline engagement strategy.
On March 8th, CrazyLive will host a seminar in Hong Kong. During the event, 3 participants will be selected to receive 888 CrazyLive tokens as a special community reward. The seminar will also officially announce CrazyLive's entry into the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macao Greater Bay Area. This represents structured regional expansion into one of Asia's most influential economic zones. Membership has grown from 600 to nearly 1,700 members. From single-city activation to broader regional development, CrazyLive is entering its next phase: international expansion and deeper offline community building. This is only the beginning.